In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create 2 columns Sendgrid. To begin, you will need to set up the right starting point for your message in Sendgrid. The first thing to do is to select Email API. When you choose this option, you are telling Sendgrid that you want to work with templates that will be used for sending email through their email API flow. This ensures the template tools you see next are the correct ones for your email design work. Once you have selected Email API, the next step is to select Dynamic Templates. Dynamic templates are helpful because they let you build a reusable email structure and then fill in content when you send. This is important for real-world campaigns because you can use the same template for different recipients while still keeping layout consistency. Now that you are in Dynamic Templates, you should open your email template. Take a moment here to find the template that you want to modify. If you already have a template set up for a 2-column design idea, select that one. If you are creating something new, make sure you are opening the correct template before you start rearranging the layout. With your template opened, you will now click the 3 dots and select Edit. The 3 dots menu is where Sendgrid hides extra actions for a template. Choosing Edit will take you into the workspace where you can actually change the structure, not just preview content. This is the point where the template becomes customizable. After you click Edit, you should choose Design Editor. The design editor is the visual environment where you can drag blocks, adjust layout settings, and place your content precisely. If you see other editing modes, make sure you are selecting the one labeled Design Editor so you can build the 2-column layout easily. Now you are ready to build the 2-column structure. Drag a 2-column layout block into your email design. As you drag it, watch the email canvas and look for where it fits best. This block is the foundation of your layout, and placing it correctly is what will keep your columns aligned and responsive for email viewing. Next, you will add your content, images, and buttons to each column. This is where you decide what each side of the email should communicate. For example, you can place one set of text in the left column and an image or call to action in the right column. Make sure that buttons are added inside the correct column so links and styling stay with the intended section. At this stage, take your time to check that each element is in the right place. Images often need slight adjustments, like resizing or repositioning, so they do not look stretched or misaligned. Buttons also may require you to confirm the text and visual style so they stand out clearly in both email clients and mobile screens. After you have filled both columns, you will adjust the column settings. This step matters because it controls how much space each column uses and how the layout behaves. You might adjust widths, spacing, or other layout-related options that affect the overall look. If you want one column to be more prominent, the settings here will help you achieve that balance. When the design looks correct, you should go to the final step, select Save Template. Saving confirms your changes so they are stored in Sendgrid and ready to use whenever you send your next email campaign. Do not skip saving because any edits you made in the design editor will not be preserved unless you save the template. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for creating a 2-column layout in Sendgrid using a dynamic template and the design editor.